everybody, back out raking again. Yeah, Dad's been out this week. He's cut another paddock up for hay. So yeah, I'm just out raking it up. All he's done is cut into rows, so I'm breaking all the rows together. He's gone in to grab the other tractor and the small square baler. He's gonna make a few squares out of this hay. And then we'll bring the round baler over later on today and we'll see how dry it is and we might do some rounds. Yeah, so basically what I'm doing at the moment is just putting all the rows that he's cut, breaking them up into bigger rows, because the baler can obviously handle a lot more hay than what is in one row. So I'm doing 3 laps around, break them into one big row, then I'll do a lap in reverse and collect the closest row to the one I've just raked, and then yeah, that's a row that's ready to bale. So I will just keep plodding along here, getting this all raked up, and yeah, see how we go today with the baling. And so now I'm going in reverse around the paddock, driving around the other way, so I'm picking up that 4th row and turning it into the main row I've already made. As you can see, it sort of sticks out a little bit to the right there, so I'm just picking all that up and turning it over, get it all as one nice row. And then the row that's coming out there, that's ready to bale once it dries out a little bit further. Yeah, so hopefully this wind doesn't pick up too much more. It's starting to get a bit blowy outside, but yeah, I'll keep going. So we decided that it is too windy to keep raking. It's just blowing off a bit everywhere. Dad's been out with the little tractor and the little square baler. He's baled up a bunch of squares. I don't know how many there's, probably about 50 or so. Maybe not even. So what we're going to do is we're going to go hook up to the round baler, and there's another paddock that Dad's cut a lap around, and we're going to take that around there, bale up that bit, and then I think we'll leave the hay to just dry out a little bit more, let this wind die down. Probably either Dad or I will come back out tomorrow and finish raking it. Probably, I don't know, halfway there to being raked, but yeah, we'll worry about that later. So we're going to hook up to the baler now and we'll go bale that paddock. So just finished that baling that we were talking about doing before. There's bale there. We only did a couple of passes on this paddock. That didn't cut too much out of it. So we're going to take the baler over to the paddock we were raking before. And don't think we'll do any more raking today. It's still pretty windy. I've got a feeling that Dad's got a little welding job he's going to have to do. Just went to chuck it into second there, and yeah, that may or may not have just broken. So yeah, that's handy. Now I'll park this up, and I think we're going to call it a day for today. We might come out tomorrow, get the little tractor going with the baler. We'll do a lap around that table rake and try and finish off the raking. Yeah, so I'll see you tomorrow. It's tomorrow today. Now we're back out here again. Gonna hook the baler back up to the tractor. Dad welded up the gear stick back onto the shifter last night, and he came out and finished up the raking. So the wind died down a bit, so he came out and finished that up. So we're gonna hook the round baler back up, and then I think we're going to do one lap with the old 135 and the Massey Ferguson 12 baler, square baler, because we'll have a few square bales. That'll be handy. Yeah, don't reckon there'd be many balers and tractors of this age still actually working full time. We've owned this tractor and baler since they were brand new in our family, so yeah, it's pretty good still to have them both working. Don't think we've really ever had many issues with the baler. I think we've repaired the nodder a few times and the tractor's going strong. Definitely needs a rest though, but maybe one day. So we'll get everything hooked up and firing, and then we'll hop straight into it and we'll get these bales done. do another lap. I think we want about a couple of hundred of those squares. So he's doing that. I'm just keeping an eye on that string feeder at the moment. It's just running it in there. So I'm gonna stay out here for a few more hours and do a few more rounds while Dad does the squares. Yeah, we'll see how we go. Hopefully that'll get us through the end of the day and we'll be all done. Blocked again. Just quickly pull this hay out that keeps getting stuck under here, and then I'll be right to keep going again. Unblocked. Put all that out. Just keep rolling. So I got all the baling done for today. Just gave Dad a bit of a hand there to bring in some of the squares. I think Mum and Dad are going to finish off bringing those in, and that'll be the end of 2019 haymaking, I think. So thanks for watching, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video.